Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can group elements and objects in your presentations on Google Slides. It is super simple, guys, and you absolutely don't need any advanced editing skills to pull this off. So with that in mind, drop a like, and now let us dive into this. So head over to Google Slides and launch a presentation or use an already existing one. And after that, simply pick the slide here from the left panel you would like to edit and customize. So let me go with one with various objects and elements. Let me go with slide number 6 for the sake of this tutorial. And all you need to do, guys, is simply left click on the first object or element you would like to group, just like that. And while doing that, simply hold left shift and select all remaining objects like this. So let me go with these 4 photos or images here. Now all four of them have been selected. So to group them, simply right click on one of them and select group from the drop down menu, or alternately simply use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-G. So let me do that really quickly. There you go. And after that, these objects will be added to a group so that you can now move them around or customize or edit them all at once. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.